Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how to log in at Salesforce. So firstly you have to go on this link. Okay, this link is provided in the description box, so you can check over here. So firstly you have to scroll down and then you have to click on get started. So after clicking on get started, you can log in through Gmail, LinkedIn or something. I'm using Google here. So when I've just click on the Google, then I will select my email ID. Then I have to click on continue. So after that I have to select my country. So I have selected India, and state, if I have select, then state is Delhi. Then I have to agree on the terms. I have to put next. Okay, so here they are just asking for the company name, but you have to provide here the college name. So my college name is this, so I have provided this. So role is student and relationship to is non-customer. Okay, so complete my sign up. Then you have to click on complete my sign up. Okay, then you have to click on continue. After that, these you have to fill these inputs. Okay, after that you have to agree on the terms and condition. Then you have to put on I'm not a robot, and then you have to authenticate. Okay, let's verify this. So verification is done. Now you have to click on complete registration. So after this you will get an email. Okay, I've just refreshed the email. Just wait for some time, you will get that mail. So here is the mail got from Salesforce. Now you have to click on start learning, or you can join their Telegram also. When you click on the start learning, then you will redirect it on the link. So here you can see and you can start learning. Okay, so thank you.